Okay guys, it's Mossy5734 back with another installment of our rare unboxings of Kyosho Mini Zs. And this box here is from Japan. I've got quite a few. I'm not going to stack them all up. It's going to be a mission then to fit stuff onto the table. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it a box at a time. And there is some really crazy cool stuff, guys. There's some cars here that I really wanted badly. One of them in particular I think is probably definitely hit the top 5, if not the top 3 spot. Check that one out. I think it might be in this box, I'm not sure. And that is the Citroen DS3. I think it's Ice 1, which is the Swedish rally car version. That is some attention to detail on that shell, man. It looks crazy. So let me get rid of you. Okay. And let's see what we've got coming up first. It would be pretty cool if I was able to pull out that one as the first one that we're going to do. Okay. Let's see, what is this? Okay. Let me... I'm spot for choice. I'm not really sure which one I want to pull out. Oh, okay. I think this is that one. Why not kickstart this box off with a sick unboxing, guys? And this is that car, right? Let's just have a quick look at it. And this is from a seller called Saljan. He had this shell before, and basically I was bartering with him, trying to get it, you know, cheaper because he had it on. Well, it was really expensive, over £100. A good 100, I don't know what it was, but it was expensive. And I thought, whoa, I'm not paying that much. And in the time I was bartering with him, and obviously the different time zones, and he didn't reply. And basically what happened is somebody else comes in there and takes the car. And I was just so gutted, man. You know, it's like, yeah, I do have shells that I think, whoa, that was so crazy, yeah. But this little bad boy, look at the attention. We're going to put it on the display stand. Don't worry if you're getting glare. But like, guys, look at the attention to detail on that back. So this is obviously a Citroen DS3 WRC World Rally Championship car, 2011. This is the Ice 1 Racing number 8 Kimi Räikkönen. Right? This is actually the real car, guys. I actually googled it to have a look, and it does actually look like that. Look at that detail on the back, man. That is flipping crazy, man. Look at the stuff on the roof. Don't worry, don't worry, don't worry. We're going to get rid of all that glare when we put it on the display stand. Look at that, man. Oh my goodness, guys. What a little beauty. Look at that, baby. And I just what I saw it, I was like, oh my goodness, I need to get a bit of that action there. And in the time I was bartering with him, some dude came and bought the blooming car, and I was like, oh no, I couldn't. And I was like, can you get hold of that again? He goes, oh, it was a very rare car to get hold of. I'm like, please try to get hold of it. He goes, I'll try and have a go. And eventually he got hold of it, and you know what? I was just so happy when he got that. They've got a DS3, which is a Red Bull version, which I thought was kind of cool, but this one kills that off totally. This is just another level, guys. An amazing bit of kit. And we're not getting justice done to it in this box with this cover, this display case cover. On the stand, you're going to see what kind of an animal this is. There's even, you know, there's even writing on the blowing wheels, man. I like the attention to detail on this. Mad. Totally mad. So yeah, right. So, put you over here, my little friend. Right. And what should we do? Okay. Let's do this one with it. This one I've done before, and you know, guys, if you watch my videos before, I want to do like a Tokyo Drift version of my RC chasers, and I've got the Fast and Furious cars, so I'm going to do it at some point. And what it is, I have police cars, but I always feel that having 3 police cars in a video, it just looks kind of awesome, because it looks like there's actually a proper police chase taking place rather than one car just chasing them around. So have this anyway, the NSX. And not the most beautiful police car you've ever seen in the world, and I was a bit surprised that they had red emergency lights, but and the widow's brow on the bonnet. But yeah, because I've got another one, so that's 2 of these, and this one I managed to get really cheap, so I was quite happy getting it, and probably because the case is smashed. Oh, I don't know. But yeah, so it was really cheap compared to what they normally go for. I think it's about £20 or something like that. So quite happy to get that at that price. I thought I can just use it as a spare. I've got lights for it anyway. I'll just put that little baby on and we are good to go. So yeah, the out of them police cars, I didn't rate any of them police cars, but the R34 police car, the wheels look nice, it looks mean. I don't know why it's got a table tennis net over the actual bonnet. If you watch one of my videos, it's on there. But yeah, but apart from that, it actually looks better than all these lot. So at some point we'll get light kits in there and we'll have that in a police chase. Okay, look at them babies on the display stand, guys. Worth the watch. Okay, then we'll move on to some more, so don't go anywhere, don't go away. Be ready for the next video. This is probably number 15, 16s after this. Alright guys. Closer look at this beautiful little car. The actual case was the wrong way around, so it is an all-wheel drive WDS series. And there you can see the Citroen logo. But what a little beauty, man. I really wanted that so badly, guys. I thought that was an amazing, I don't know what you guys think. I thought that was just beautiful. It was kind of like love at first sight, man. I was like, oh my goodness, look at that. And to be honest with you, I've only ever seen one come up and I lost that first one. And the second one I thought, I am not losing the second one no matter what happens. It's going to be on the display stand. Don't worry if you can't see it in its full glory. We'll have a good look at it. Just wanted to show you with the little logos and stuff in the case right around. Okay, let's move on. So, we're going to get on with the next unboxing. You'll see that on display stand. Okay guys. Okay guys, so here we've got the Citroen DS3 and this is the World Rally Championship car from 2011. This is the Ice 1 version and you can see the decals and wow, is there some attention to detail on this car. Yo, my heart got sold, guys. When I saw this, I was like, oh my goodness, look at that. I mean, it's a tiny little thing. It was made to compete with the Mini, you know, and smaller cars like that. It's small, but whoa. Decals-wise, crazy, man. So this is the racing number 8 car, and it was used by Kimi Räikkönen. I think Kimi Räikkönen was that guy who was part of Formula 1. He's actually Finnish, he's from Finland. And yeah, he used to drive the Toyota 86 series and they want to try something new. So this was designed for him. And this is like, it's classed as a super mini. And was made by the French manufacturer Citroen in 2009. But you know what? It was classed as the car of the year by Top Gear magazine 2010. But I didn't even know the thing existed in Mini Zs until, I mean, I've never really come across. Sorry guys, it's raining right now in the conservatory, but it's all cool. So yeah, I mean, it was a tiny car, 1.6 litre engine, but they managed to get 200 brake horsepower out of it though. What a little beast. But yeah, so when I saw this, I didn't even realise, guys, this was a Mini Z car. It came up as a one-off, and all the time I've been involved in Mini Zs, I had never ever seen this car ever come up. It came up once and I was bartering with Saojin Okitsu, and I thought he had it really expensive. I was like, come on man, let's make a deal, let's sort something out. And he, you know what, because of the time difference, I send him a message in the daytime, he's probably in bed at that time, he wakes up during the day, and it's evening for me. And so what basically happened was he didn't get my message and it sold for the bite now price, and I was like, oh man. I thought, you know, when you just think I should have just bought it now, I should have just done it, but it was too expensive. And so then I said, look, get me another one, man. And he goes, that is so hard to get a hold of. He goes, I'll try for you. And it took a while, and then basically yep, he managed to get a hold of one. And he managed to get the Red Bull version as well. But this will kill the Red Bull version all day long. This really is unique, you know. I don't know if you've seen them, but I hadn't. So, yeah man. That's one of them that could sit there all day long. So this driver, Räikkönen, basically says that he secured first place in Formula One. He beat McLaren. He beat Lewis Hamilton, right? Fernando Alonso by 1 point. And he was one of the very first. He was the only driver to win the season, win the races in his first season for Ferrari in 2008. So basically, he left the F1 team 2009, and then this is where he kind of went over to rally. So he became a rally driver, and he also competed in NASCAR as well. This guy's kind of wild. He made his debut for Kyle Busch in Motorsports and Camping World Truck Series. And then he made his return to the F1 after signed up for 2 years. Yeah, this guy's had a very eventful career. Interesting. I don't know. I mean, tell me what you guys think. I don't know if the lights are doing this car justice, guys. I know it's got a bit of a funky colour scheme. The black and white is pretty hard sometimes to pick colours up. But I like that car, man. It's small. It will look small compared to other Mini Zs, but wow. Beautiful. Real attention to detail. I've never seen such intricate decals, you know, that like form a pattern all the way over the rear and sides of the car. And the wheels have got some writing on them. What does it say? Or just says Citroen. I didn't think they had red lights. I just thought blue lights on emergency services were just like a must-have. But obviously in Japan that's not the case. It would have been awesome if that was the newer NSX. Well, the one that's the GT version, which is just mad. Totally blown out. Beautiful. And they've got a new NSX as well, which I have in like a metallic blue. And that's got a nice shape to it. This shape's obviously a bit dated, isn't it, guys? But it looked pretty cool in racing chase videos. So I thought, you know what? It's starting to get hard to come by. And before they actually become really difficult to get hold of, I might as well just get one right now. And that's what I did. So, and the last one, guys, is going to be this BMW, which is nice. Okay. So, it has become rare. I am in the process, guys, of doing my rare Mini Zs, and I've got through 2 boxes so far, big boxes. I've got a third one left, which I've got to uncover. It's like hidden in blood stuff. And once that's done, I can do a 2 compilations. One of the ones that have become rare, and the other that are officially rare. So that basically means that Kyosho said that they've only made 1,000, 1,500, 2,000, 3,000. So that's officially rare. So a bit of both, because other ones aren't officially rare, but they're so hard to get hold of right now.